Snow is falling, lights aglow. A little cabin, a fire's warm throw. From the forest to the city street, a magic journey, oh so sweet. Here they come, the trucks of red and white, bringing joy and shining so bright. All around the world, a happy sound. Real magic's here, it can be found. From desert sands to islands. What you just watched right there was created using entirely AI, no cameras, no budgeting, no crew members, and no heavy editing. Everything was done using strictly AI. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how to do that. And welcome to Flova. This is a all-in-one video editing, creation, and assembling platform. The video agent platform, and it gives you quality. You have various models over here: Nano Banana Pro, the Sora, the VO3, the Worm, and the C3. So if you are new right here, if you are new right here, stick with me as I explain everything from the beginning to the end. So let us go ahead and sign in and proceed. All right, so once you come to Flova, everyone can be a director with Flova, and I'm going to proceed. First off, we're going to start off with understanding the models. We have the models, and then how to turn this Nano Banana Pro image to cinematic videos. We need everything to work together. So we're going to be using Nano Banana Pro for the images. We're going to be using Sora 2 for the video. We're going to be using Sono for the advanced music and the 11 Lab. But in a situation where you don't need any stuff like video first, we need to generate the image first. So let us paste our first prompt, and we need to upload an image. So let us go ahead and upload an image in our PC over here. So we are going to be deconstructing tower, and then I'll show you how to do this. So only Nano Banana Pro is going to be activated. We are not generating video. So let us go ahead for image. So do not generate visuals, just a static image. So you can go ahead and select any of these Sora 2, but I'm not selecting any of this now because I just want to get my image. So smash. All right, now we have now been brought to the storyboard section where it's going to be doing this for us. We are going to be following it. We uploaded an image and we are not generating visuals. I will show you how to turn this into time-lapse loop videos successfully. So you can see Flova is analyzing everything for us. Like I said, it's just a static image for now, and then it's generating our storyboard, even on the sequence, the segment on how everything needs to work, the narrative, the building, this construction, the pre-construction, foundation state, and everything. So let us hold on while it gets everything ready for us. So now our image is now created. Nano Banana Pro created this from this. Now it brought this down all the way down, and it is this. Now we're going to download this. This is what we're going to be using. So next up, we are going to be uploading. So upload the sample image, then upload the downloaded image as well. That is the one that you just created over here and open. Now, two of the image will be loaded, and then we are going to go ahead and paste this prompt over here. And the models we're going to be using right here, it is the Sora 2. So right now we're using Sora 2 for video creation, and we'll proceed. Okay, so we're going to be adding this skill over here, and then we go ahead. So our image has now been uploaded, the initial one and the sample image. So we are using VO3 fast for video, and we're still using Sora 2. So we have activated the Sora 2 Rich Multi-Shot. Then we'll go ahead and smash on the hit, and immediately Flova AI will start generating. Now, directing video with Flova AI just feels like we're having a conversation, and that is something you don't just see, but this new video agent gets everything done for you. Understood? You want to transform into a cinematic construction time-lapse video. Now, it gives you everything initially. So here's what you're going to do automatically. You're going to update the project brief, design the storyboard, set up the generation path, and generate the first batch of start frames. So let's just wait for this to proceed. Okay, so it has updated the storyboard from just Nano Banana Pro image to video. Now let us go ahead and give you the next instruction. Animate the construction process, and let us have it. All right, so a 10 seconds time-lapse video has been generated for us, but I'm not going to review it now because I have some instruction, and I want you to assemble a rough cut, send it straight to my timeline over here. This is the last edit you're going to be doing because after here, everything is moving to our timeline. So before assembling the final video, I'll add a background audio that supports the sense of progress in this construction time lapse, and I'll be using 11 labs for that. I'll go ahead and choose 11 labs. It has the capability to do that, and it can generate a subtitle AI driven ambient sound that actually matches this. So I'll paste this prompt so that it will face the whole video and everything according to the structure without relying on any stock music. The background sound generated for us. So after our music has been generated, our background sound has been generated with 11 labs. It is now generating and adding to the timeline. So the timeline would now incorporate the audio that was generated using 11 labs to match the whole video as a construction to keep the impact high. We have successfully added the generated audio from that is the background sound from 11 labs, and then we are going ahead to preview our timeline now. So we have that. So we go ahead and export the video now. We are done with the time lapse. If you enjoyed this video right here, go to the description and click on the first link right there so you can also try using Flova AI. And yeah, there's something amazing for you all. This. Now, this is the package I'm using currently. You can explore any of the packages if you wish. Alright, so immediate access to Flova. Then the first 500 is just to click the link we receive. 1000 credit is 500 plus 500 immediately plus the referral program where you can invite up to 4 people just and get additional 300 credits for every successful referral. You check out the final result of our video. A static Nano Banana Pro to a 10-second cinematic full video, detail sharp, the motion is fluid, and the identity is preserved. This is the new standard for AI content creation. Give this work for a try, and I'll see you in the next breakdown.